Hi there, this is my latest creation. A model I've had, I think, nearly 30 years. I started putting it together and tore it apart, wasn't happy with the paints I had, and just recently thought, I know, I'll make an homage to the Fellowship of the Rings, which now the head I lost. Is in the firmament somewhere, I don't know, and I got a head of a dragon that I thought would fit, and it kind of has, but it's not the Balrog. It's got another dragon's head on it. With the wizard, the grey, is there. I lost his arm, or his sword arm, and I managed to fettle a sword arm for him. And one of the things that intrigued me about the way that he was encapsulated by a dome of light. So I thought, how can I do that? So there you go, the dome of light. It's a Christmas decoration, half a Christmas decoration put there, and just a light box put together with cardboard. Nothing special, although I failed to film the cardboard. Yeah, I didn't think to, because I didn't plan it. I have the intro, the light box that goes in it. I don't know if you can sort of see, but there you are, just fashioned together with stuff from the pound shop. So there you are. I'm very happy with it. I'm not too sure about the colours, because when I went to the Games Workshop place, this model was a lot darker than I thought it would have been. It was coloured very dark. Putting it together and painting the model. I hope you're well, and please subscribe and press the bell and the thumbs up, and you will be notified if I make another film or video. And that it's all going well. The sun is shining, or starting to shine now, and all is well. I hope you're all well, and please share and subscribe. It all helps by all accounts. So this is it. I'll take this off because this is just flimsy, but here it is. Yeah, very happy with this. I'm maybe going to try and put some more of these for terrain, for games, tabletop gaming, and that. If you, I mean, there's so many out there, and you can't invent the wheel again. I mean, everything that can be done has been done on YouTube. So there you go. But this is it for me. And once again, thanks for watching so far, and enjoy the show. Okay, bye bye.